Alright, so before you take that fuel filter off, you want to go up here on the passenger side of the engine compartment and you follow along the fuel rail back here like this, and right there is a Schrader valve right here. You take that cap off of that Schrader valve. I've already released it, so there's nothing going to come out, but you get a small screwdriver. You put that small screwdriver in there and depress it. There's a little bit coming out. Alright, so this is a fuel filter for 1994 Ford F-150 with the half-ton two-wheel drive straight 6. And the location of the filter is right under the driver's side door, I guess you might say. You go down under the truck and you'll see that there's the gas tank there. And you'll see these two bolts right here. And that holds the bracket. Go to the other side and you will see the filter. So you take those two bolts out, get it loose, and you'll put the tool in. There's a tool. Alright, so this is the kit that I got. Lyle 39400. That's what it looks like. Alright, so get you a 10 millimeter and put a little lube on these two bolts there. This is what the new filter looks like, and it has a place in here where it says in, so it'll sit there in that, like that. It's got an arrow, orientation arrow on there, and it does say made in China. It's a Wix filter, but it does say made in China on it, so not much we can do about that. One looks like a good one. Now, you don't want to be directly under this when you pop it loose because it's going to dribble out. All choked up with a bunch of fumes and have fumes lingering around while you're doing this, because it can make you sick and something else could spark and catch it on fire. So we don't want to do that either. Get that. I'll get this bracket here. Bracket's doing a great job of holding this filter in the right place. So let's see about getting this line popped loose. So you're going to push in a little bit and then pull it back out. And there you are. Comes right off. And of course, fuel's going to come out over there. I don't think I'll be able to get it off of that bracket, so it's installed. So I'm going to stick this other end up here. Work it out. Let it dribble. There we go. Alright. Pan, we're done dripping. And of course you got to beat the crap out of it pretty good to get that thing out. Just kind of lay it in here. Line it up the best you can. Click that back end from one end. Just like that. Roll it around until the bolts line up. You get that front one. Click that one in. There you are.